MotoP Fest Novice Class Race. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Motorsport lovers, adrenaline seekers, and the incredible riding community gathered here tonight. Welcome to the electrifying atmosphere of MotoFAI Fest, where machines roar, riders chase their limits, and passion meets pure adrenaline. Tonight we are about to witness something special, something raw, something powerful. The Novice Class Race. This is the category where new riders step onto the racing stage for the very first time. Every champion you see in professional racing today once stood exactly where these riders are standing right now, nervous, excited, focused, and ready to prove themselves. Motorsport is not only about speed. It is about courage. It is about control. It is about discipline. And most importantly, it is about heart. And tonight, these riders are here to show that heart. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the brave riders who are about to take on the MotoFE track in the novice class category. Please welcome our riders, Shankar, Zahir, Akil, Prateek, Malik, Riyaz, Imran, Rajveer, Gurpreet, Malik, Pritesh, Venkatesh, Arif, Kapil, Akil, Adil, Hamid, Parvez, Zakir, Noman. Let's hear a huge round of applause for these riders. These riders have trained hard, tuned their machines, and waited for this very moment. For them, this race is not just about finishing first, it is about proving that they belong on the racing track. Right now the riders are moving toward the starting lineup. Engines are warming up, helmets locked, gloves tight, eyes focused on the track ahead. You can already hear the engines growling, the sound of power waiting to explode. Ladies and gentlemen, motorsport is a sport where seconds feel like minutes, and one small mistake can change the entire race. The riders are now taking their positions on the starting grid. Our marshals are giving the final signals. The riders are ready, and now it is my great honor to invite our distinguished guest for the official flag off ceremony. Please welcome Mr. Rahul Sindhi, Director of Purnima University, along with the amazing riding community from the Jaipur Super Bikers Club, who will proudly wave the flag to start the MotoFE Fest Novice Class Race. Sir, we request you to kindly step forward to the starting point. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment has arrived. The engines are revving, riders are gripping their handlebars. The tension is rising. Mr. Rahul Sindhi raises the flag. 3, 2, 1, and the flag drops. The riders launch forward. With full throttle. Engines scream, dust rises, and the novice class racers explode off the start line. Look at that acceleration. One rider pushes ahead, another rider immediately tries to overtake from the outside. They are chasing each other corner after corner. You can feel the energy of the crowd rising. This is exactly what motorsport is all about: speed, control, and pure racing spirit. One rider takes the lead. But wait, another rider is coming from the inside line. What an incredible chase. The bikes are flying down the track, throttle wide open, every rider pushing harder and harder. The crowd is cheering, the engines are roaring, and the race is reaching its final moments. Who will take the victory? Who will become the fastest rider of the novice class tonight? Here they come toward the final stretch. One rider breaks ahead, pushing the bike to its absolute limit. And ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner. The fastest rider of the MotoFE Fest Novice Class Race has crossed the finish line. What an incredible performance. Please put your hands together for our champion. And now as the winner arrives on stage, look up into the sky. Fireworks light up the night. The crowd celebrates. The engines cool down. But the spirit of racing continues to burn right here at MotoFE Fest. Congratulations. you participated tonight. Every one of you showed courage, determination and true racing spirit. And a special congratulations to the fastest rider of the novice class, who has earned the honor of standing on the stage tonight. Thank you Mr. Rahul Singh, Director of Purnima University, and the Jaipur Super Bikers Club for flagging off this thrilling race. Ladies and gentlemen, this is only the beginning, because here at MotoFi Fest, the night of motorsport excitement has just begun. Thank you, and let's keep the adrenaline alive. Winner is Pritesh, second is Vilas, third is Udai.